First, please make sure your computer has 2 free USB ports for the sensor. Open the box and take out the USB flash drive. Insert the USB flash drive and open it. Copy these files to your computer. For example, copy to your computer desktop. Double-click to run the installer. Select the installation directory. If you want to install to another location, click Browser to select. Installation method. If only one computer is used, choose Standalone installation. If multiple computers are used, select Others. The relevant instructions are as follows. After the installation is complete, remove the USB flash drive. Insert the dongle. Insert the sensor. Open Device Manager. Check to see if this device is available. This device proves that the sensor is successfully connected to the computer. If the device is not found, please see the solution at the end of this video. Double-click to open. Enter your account number and password. Open the Settings page. Here you can set the program display language. Select Sensor Model. Select Trigger Mode. Select Trigger Threshold. Import the calibration file of the sensor. Select the calibration file and import it. After seeing import successfully, you can exit the settings page. Verify that the sensor is working. Create new patient. Choose how many pictures to display and where the pictures are displayed. Click to enter exposure transfer mode. Put the disposable protective cover on the sensor. Pick up the X-ray machine and start exposure. Pictures are automatically transferred to the computer. If you don't like to enter your password to log in every time, close Account Login. Open the Settings page. Close Account Login. You can open it directly after that.